In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on Hostinger. By the end, you'll know how to find the perfect name, complete your purchase with confidence, and connect that domain to your website so it's live and ready for visitors. I'll walk you through each screen and share practical tips to avoid common hiccups along the way. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the domain section. This is your starting point for searching, managing, and purchasing domain names. Click Get a New Domain to open the search tool. In the search bar, type the domain name you're aiming for. Keep it short, easy to spell, and relevant to your brand or project. Click Search to see what's available. If your first choice is taken, try small variations or consider different extensions. You can pick from popular options like .com or .net, but don't overlook region or niche specific extensions if they fit your audience better. Choose the domain extension that best suits your goals, then click Buy Domain to move forward. Before you proceed, double check the spelling and make sure it looks exactly how you want it to appear to your visitors. Now it's time to complete the purchase. You'll be asked to choose a billing period, usually 1 to 3 years. Longer terms can help you lock in pricing and avoid the hassle of annual renewals, but pick what makes sense for your budget. Enter your payment details carefully and review the order summary so you're aware of the total, including any applicable taxes. When everything looks correct, click Complete Payment. Hostinger will process your order and secure the domain for you. With the domain purchased, let's connect it to your website. Head back to the dashboard and open the website section. Select the website you want to connect the domain to. Click Connect Domain, then choose the domain you just purchased from the list. Confirm your selection, and Hostinger will handle the technical setup in the background. After connecting, it can take a short while for the changes to fully update across the internet. This delay, known as propagation, is normal. Give it a bit of time, then visit your new domain in a browser to confirm everything is live. That's it. Your new domain is purchased, paid for, and connected to your website. If you ever need to make changes later, you can always return to the domains or website sections in your Hostinger dashboard. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new online home.